Welcome back. I'm Ching Lee, a UCalgary alumna from the Faculty of Arts. I'm at the Cookbook Company Cooks at their cooking school here in Calgary. Today, we're making a Thai recipe called Mah Ho, which translates to Galloping Horses. First thing is onion and garlic. We're gonna sweat the onions until they're translucent. Now that the onions have sweated, we're gonna add the pork. Now it's time to add the peanuts, little salt and pepper, and some brown sugar. We're making recipes inspired by another UCalgary alumna, writer Julia Williams, and her collaborator, Mason Hasty, who created a Stampede-themed online generator called the Snackerator. If you don't want to use pork, you can substitute for chicken, turkey, or even tofu. It's done! I pre-cut some pineapple, and it's going to be the base for the pork. This is a perfect snack for everyone in your family. It's refreshing, a hint of spice. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of chilies on top, a little green like chives for garnish. Ta-da! There you have it, some Galloping Horses.